बना रहे हैं अभी भरता ब्रिंजल का। दिस इज़ ब्रिंजल भरता। तो मैंने कर लिया, अब इसको हम पील कर लेंगे। जस्ट पील लाइक दैट। इट्स सो ईजी। ब्रिंजल डिश, इंडियन डिश, नॉर्थ इंडियन डिश, but if you dip in water then that easily peel this. मेकिंग ब्रिंजल भरता। और मैंने क्या किया, इन रोस्टेड ब्रिंजल को मैंने पील कर लिया वाटर में। मैंने वाटर में डिप करा। मैंने आपको दिखा था ऐसे ही छुड़ा रही थी, मतलब ऐसे ही पील करी थी। वो सही तरीका नहीं था, ये पील किया ऐसे फटाफट पानी में डिप करे और पील हो गए। अब इसके अंदर चेक करते, लेट मी चेक द समटाइम्स वी फाउंड वॉर्म्स। इसमें कीड़े होते हैं कई बार अंदर, तो हमें चेक करना होता है। लेट मी चेक देयर इज एनी वॉर्म, कोई कीड़ा तो नहीं है इसमें। देयर इज नो। इफ वी फाउंड वॉर्म्स इन इट, कीड़ा इसमें मिलता है तो फिर हम इसको निकाल देते हैं। लाइक दैट। आई डोंट फाउंड एनी वॉर्म्स इन इट। Brinjal have found many times worms. So, and now cut that, and now cut it onions, tomatoes. Let's watch with me. Our ingredient for इसमें 2 large tomatoes डाले हैं and 3 medium onions. मैंने cut कर ली like that, chop like that, and you can add garlic cloves 5 to 6 and add. This is I'm adding half. and 2, इसमें 2 मुट्ठी भर के एक छोटी कटोरी, 1 small bowl. You can add peas. You can make without peas, बिना peas के भी आप बना सकते हैं this भरता. So this is the ingredient, and I did some Indian spices and added 1 tablespoonful oil, mustard oil I'm using, and let it heat now because mustard oil need heat because it's tastes like raw. We don't need raw, and we don't like raw here in North India, so we need to heat. So I added cumin seeds और ये अच्छे से हीट हो चुका है. It's heat nicely, and you can use any oil, available oil of your kitchen, like soya oil, like olive oil, any oil you can use available in your kitchen or country. Add onion and need to translucent, not need brown, not need golden brown, need to translucent this. This is our onion is ready. It's turned in little golden, so no problem. You can like little golden and translucent. It's your wish, not mine. And now add the brinjal and tomato together. And now I'm adding little simple spices of India like turmeric. Just watch. Let's add it together. Peas. You need to wash. I don't need to wash this. Just add little. 1 ounce, यानी कि 1 मुट्ठी भर के. 1 handful. 1 or 2 handfuls. And cover the lid. Cover the lid, and you also cover with the plate. और cover and उसको मीडियम हीट पे कर दीजिए, लो हीट पर, और शिमर होने दीजिए. This is salt. We don't add more masala. I added Maggi masala. It's an Indian spices whole mix, and it gives awesome taste. If you have know this Maggi masala, so you can use Indian spice mix like pepper, cloves, seeds. कौन से seeds? धनिया seeds यानी कि cumin seeds. If you have no any masala like that or spices, you can use this only. But you can add Indian spices like peppers and like this packets. So it's give awesome taste. Or after 2 minutes, I add this because salt gives fast cooking. If you add salt first and in starting in your meal, then it gives so fast. If you like the raw type bharta, then After 5 minutes you can eat. You'll eat. आप खा सकते हैं जल्दी अगर आपको थोड़ा कच्चा खाना है, अल्दांते खाना है, आपको ज़्यादा पका फूड पसंद नहीं है. But here in India we cook properly, at least for half hour, 20 to 30 minutes. Because we need to cook properly this peas, soften peas and soften tomatoes. गिर गया. Up. Now cover with the lid and simmer on medium flame. Okay, and I'm also add that something cover with lid and stone because हमें heat चाहिए. We need to we don't allow steam outside. So when covered with lid and stone, it's cooked fast and it's our old ancient way of cooking here in India and in my village. 5 minutes और चिपकने लगा. It's sticking. It's sticking on the pan top, no pan bottom, sorry. और ये बिल्कुल देखिए अब थोड़ा सॉफ्ट हो गया ना, like gluey type, like gluey. अभी we need to cook more because these peas are raw. We need to cook more. After 5 minutes मैंने इसको चेक किया. After 5 minutes and then I'll cover. देखा, for this stone makes great pressure and fast cooking. So I'll cover and the tomato देखिए tomato इसके गल गए हैं. Tomato is totally mashed, मतलब better mashed. So now I cover again for 15 minutes. But I'll check in after 5 minutes. Checking after 10 minutes. It's not ready because we need to cook properly. You can like al dante type. It's just ready. I'm adding now ghee, clear butter for the good taste, more good taste now. I'm adding 1 tablespoon or 2 tablespoons. And you can add also butter to make great recipe and give great taste if you are on diet. But I'll make this bharta on once in a month or twice in a month only. So you can add ghee also because ghee, clear butter makes its taste more and more good. My bharta is ready. I'm making. देखो ये चिपक भी गया. This sticking on bottom. आँख में भी लगे यार. बस बन गया ये. It's ready now. थाली. Brinjal bharta, roti, chapati and homemade curd, and this is chutney. I'll make for him. It looks so awesome. You can try this recipe.